Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words I'm and am. Let's look at each one individually. I'm is a contraction of I am. I'm is always used with I because it's short for I am. For example, I'm going to the store instead of I am going to the store. I'm ready for the test. Am is the verb to be, used with the subject I. For example, am I late? I am a student. When speaking or writing informally, you often shorten I am to I'm. Use am when forming questions or sentences without a contraction. In questions, am is placed at the beginning. To summarize, I'm is a contraction of I am and is used in casual or informal settings. Am is always used with the pronoun I and can form part of a question or a full sentence. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so we can let you know when we upload.